The ducks have 2 nests. One is in that corner and the other is in that corner. 2 eggs for the day. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Good morning, Stan. Come on out. Good morning. Have a good day, buddy. Yes, have a good day. The girls do not want to be out in the rain. Do ya? Ah. Stanley, he's got to have his hay too. Bunny? Oh, you're going back outside? You just crawled right between my legs. Watch to the end to see our newest addition. We think our babies have hatched.
Yeah, we know they've hatched. Because we can hear them in there. And I made a mistake. I never took the egg turner out in time.
Oh my gosh.
There's 3 little baby duckies.
Hello, honeys.
We came up to my parents to get a cage to put our baby ducks in because they've just hatched. And they're here boiling syrup. So far we've had 150 gallons and we got a lot of syrup out of that. And the syrup is right buttery smooth, really good maple flavor, and really sweet. There, we got the cage. Are you ready, baby ducks? It's okay. Now that we got them in here, we just want to dip their beak. That way they know where the water is. Easy, little fella. Oh, whoops. That was a little much. And this guy, I think. There. Now we just got to plug in the heat lamp for them. So here's our incubator. We're on day 29. It should be actually day 28. But I'm going to just give you a quick sneak peek inside the incubator. If you can hear, there's very faint chirping. Hopefully when we come home, there'll be a bunch of baby ducks in there.
I've been filling in the ground with manure. I really hope Porter's not mad.
Around here we move a lot of manure, and we have 3 main ways of moving it. We either use this 4-wheeler, or we use the wheelbarrows, or we use my tractor. Right now we can't use the tractor because we got it ready for in the woods, so we're using the 4-wheeler tonight. And this here is a 1985 Honda 254 Trex. I don't have a battery in it right now, so I gotta kickstart it. This right here behind me is our manure pile, and this is all the manure from the animals all throughout the winter. We clean our pigs out twice a day, and we clean the chickens out once a week. Soon, we're going to be taking this manure pile and spreading it on a field with our newly acquired manure spreader. Manure piles are very interesting because they heat up internally, and that's what helps break down all the poo and hay into usable compost. During the winter, we actually seen steam rising from the manure pile. Why did you dump a bunch of manure here?
To fill in your mud ruts.
Well, now you just made a poo rut.
Well, at least it's better than not being able to push your wheelbarrow straight.
That's why you go up around that way, out of the mud. Stay up on the high ground.
All we gotta do is just bring in some dirt and put the dirt down.
No, I'm gonna have to dig this all out now.
Just leave it.
No, it'll be mud. It'll be squishy underneath, and it'll make the worst mess.
I think it's fine. Just
No,
leave it a little bit.
I'm the groundwork guy. I know how to build a road. Just not my own driveway because that's so rough.
Poo though, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I thought it was pretty good, honey.
It's
I
meh.
think it's fine.
Not really, but anyway.
Darn.
Let's get back to work. I gotta take this to the shop. Come on. Wheel it over to the side. Probably should, there's no room. So, right here. Dump it. Perfect. This is a great little four-wheeler. I got this back when I was 11 years old, and it's been a very reliable machine. Today, I went and picked this up out in the valley, and what it is it's a manure spreader. The reason I bought this is because I want to be able to spread our manure on fields, and I'm also working towards getting hay equipment. That way we can make our own hay for our farm. Now we have to unchain it and unload it. This manure spreader is a New Holland, and I even got the owner's manual with it. This is the owner's manual for it, and this is a New Holland. It's either a 213 or a 328 model. And this owner's manual is probably 50 years old. I just did some research, and this one was made between 1972 and 1978. Three little duckies in here. The reason that it says we're on 32 days is because as the ducks kept laying eggs, I kept putting them in, and every day now we're getting about 2 or 3 ducklings. Dip your beak. Oh my goodness, baby piggies! Now I gotta fix that. The animals have been keeping us so busy this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.